In this video, I will show you how to use AI commands to generate a social media content calendar for Instagram. AI commands use AI technology to help you create better content. Let's dive right in. If you manage multiple properties, make sure you have selected the correct one. First, click the knowledge base icon located at the top of the dashboard. Next, create a new article to get started. To add a new paragraph, click this button. Click on the text box and these options will appear. Click this icon, and it will prompt you to tell AI Assist what to do. Simply instruct AI to generate a social media content calendar for Instagram, and it will begin creating its response. Once it finishes, it will provide you with 4 options. Select Done if you are satisfied with the result. Choose Continue Writing if you want to generate more content. Click Retry if you want AI to delete the content and generate a new one. Select Discard if you want to delete the response. If you are satisfied with the result, just click Done. And boom! You have successfully generated a social media content calendar for Instagram. For further instructions on how to use this function, please visit our community center or schedule a call with an AI Assist specialist by clicking the link in the description.